Hi folks, Ben here from Marcrist. Today we're going to be looking at the PG850 starter set, one of the best tile drills on the market. Okay, let's have a look at the PG850 starter set then. Let's see what we get. So it comes in this lovely transport case, so you can keep all your tools nice and tidy. Nice carry handle on the front. Okay, first item, 1 litre pressure bottle. Guide, 2 meters of pipe, couple of spanners so you can take the tile drills off. Then we have the PG850 water swivel chuck connector, and then we have a 6mm tile drill, and then we have the extraction tools and a set of keys to keep the toolbox locked. Okay, the first item we'll be looking at from the PG850 starter set is the water swivel. This is the most integral part of the system. So we've got it's a hex back end. This connects to the 3-jaw chuck on the combi drill, to the power drill, whichever drilling machine you've got. Next, we've got the 1/2 inch 20 UNF thread to connect your PG850 to. You'll notice we've also got a bronze washer. This will help the connection when the items become tight and they're locking onto the spindle. This just releases stress from the spindle. Also, we've got the pneumatic air fitting at this end. This is for where the water comes into the system and out of the shaft, and also we've got the control valve there for the water flow. Okay, the next part of the system you'll see is the 2-meter hose. All we need to do is connect this into the air fitting on the back of the water swivel, push it in and locks in tight. If you ever need to release the fitting once you've finished tile drilling, just press the little retaining clip, push in the pipe and then release from the water swivel. The water vessel which pressurizes the system, so we get water flow through the water swivel. So all we need to do, fill up with water, pressurize the system, lock on the trigger, connect the fitting and away you go. So all we need to do, connect into the system. You can release, as I showed you earlier on the water swivel, pressurize the system, locking down the button, then just adjust the water flow on the water swivel when needed. Okay, the next item we'll be looking at is the professional guide. So with this guide you'll be able to drill holes from 6mm up to 82mm. Suction guide, suck onto the wall, clamp down and away you go. You'll notice on this side you've got the jaws, so you can slide the core bits into the centre, slide up, lock down, and you can go right to 6mm. If you need to go up to 80mm, all you need to do is remove the 2 thumb screws, just reverse the guide, replace the thumb screws again, and there you go. We can go right up to 82mm with no problems at all. Okay, the next items we'll be looking at is the extraction pins. So once you've drilled a hole, you need to then remove the material from the back of the tile drill. So here we've got a 2-piece system. So the small pin, just slide into the back of the 6mm, 8mm tile drills, and you'll be able to push the material out of the tile drill. For the larger ones, we then use a threaded bar with a hex shank. This screws into the back of the tile drill using the 1/2 inch 20 UNF thread, and screw it down and slowly eject the material. Remember to eject the material nice and slowly. We want to keep the stress on the crown as little as possible. Again, Bernie's top tip, once it gets under tension, slide the other pin into the other one and then just use it to slowly release the tile drill. Okay, the final part of the video, we're going to be looking at obviously the 2 spanners. So we've got the 17mm, 19mm, 24mm and 22mm. So 17mm goes onto the shaft, 22mm goes onto the tile drill, and just release the tile drill and away you go.